to welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the aftermarket battery for the 2011 MacBook Pro. So last time I did a video on how to troubleshoot if your MacBook doesn't turn on. So in case you missed that video, I will be including the link that's going to show within the description. So I got this out of eBay for $17.89 plus tax. So I think it's about less than $20 out of the door with free shipping. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Normally they come with the tool, so yeah, it does come with two of these tools. One is Philip and the other one is tri-point. So you need to follow the instruction for the initial use. Also, your battery indicator might not show properly, so with this 3, 1, 2, 3, those are the long screw, and then the rest of them is just a short stubby. And those are the Phillips. So this one is missing two of the short stubby screws. Customer gave it to me like this, so now you could open the bottom cover. So this one is the long tri-point screw, and right here is the short one. So unfortunately the customer's computer, they're missing that long one. So yeah, make sure you press down firmly. Now you gotta pull out the tab. But you gotta disengage the plug, okay? The plug is right here. You pry from the bottom, kinda yank it, and there you go. And we're going to insert that in an angle like this. So it says if your battery is within 0% or 1%, it may take 10 to 40 minutes, which is normal pre-charging stage. And please be patient with this. So initial first 3 use for the new battery, it is recommended to charge the battery and then discharge it completely by using the battery directly without the plug in the AC power supply or power supply. It will take 3 to 8 hours to charge the battery in the off state. So when the battery is almost 3% discharged, please recharge it immediately. Otherwise, the battery will be easily damaged and may not be charged anymore. So we're just going to turn it on real quick. And there you go. And I see the battery shows 75%. Wait, 78%. Okay. There you go. So yeah, you want to go and then use it and drain it all the way down to 3% and then charge it back up to 100% and then drain it down to 3%, charge for 100%, drain it to 3%. You're going to do that initial for the first 3 charges. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.